So what are the prerequisites to reset a Nodes ID password on the Domino server? The first one is Nodes ID vault should already be set up on the Domino server. The second one is security policy having the ID vault name is applied to the users either through organizational policy or through explicit policy. The third one is user ID file is vaulted in the vault database. And the fourth one, which is important, you are having a password reset authority access on the ID vault. So why there is a need to reset the user Nodes ID password? It's because sometimes user forgot their Nodes ID password. So when that happens, user will not be able to log into Nodes client to access their mail or any application hosted on the Domino server. So currently using the Domino administrator client, I am already connected to the Domino server. So let us quickly walk through the prerequisite which we discussed earlier. The first one is the ID vault configuration. So under security, if I go to ID vault, I can see there is a ID vault setup. The second prerequisite, if I go to the policies, so there is an organizational policy, and in that organization policy there is a security setting. So security setting is having the ID vault name. Okay, the third prerequisite is the ID vault database is having user ID file vaulted. So I can see two user ID file have been vaulted, John Doe and Domino admin. And the fourth prerequisite, the password reset authority. So if I go to the certificates, so password reset certificate, so I can see Domino admin is having a password reset authority. So now we will try to reset the password for John Doe. So currently John Doe has been selected. So if I go to ID vaults, there is an option reset password. So if I click this, it will prompt this reset user password for John Doe. So there is a setting how to notify. So it has two options, in person or by email to manager. So in person, basically I will call the end user to tell the new password to log in onto the Nodes client, and by email to manager, it is something the manager will be notified with the new password which has to be communicated to the end user. So I will say in person and I will type the password. I will confirm the password and I will say reset password. So it will prompt a message, the password for the user John Doe has been successfully reset. So what next? What will happen when John Doe log in on his Nodes client? So we will see that as well. So friends, we can see the login window of John Doe on his Nodes client. So I will type the password which was reset. So it is allowed to log in user to the Nodes client. You can see the John Doe user is able to access the Nodes client and he can access his mail file.